Hi guys, a lot of people do say that don't come to the UK, don't come to the UK because there are no accommodations. The honest truth is they're lying to you because there are accommodations in the UK. You just need to know how to find it. So on today's episode of Yettysplash, I'm going to be telling you, especially international students, how you can easily secure an accommodation in the UK. And towards the end of this video, I'm also going to be sharing with you how you can earn or get 1 month accommodation free. Yes, you will not be paying 1 month accommodation free. So ensure that you watch this video to the end. Hi guys, my name is Yeti, and on this channel I share information about relocating abroad, traveling abroad. If anything abroad interests you at all, do well to click the subscribe button so that whenever I post, you get to see it first. And today's episode of Yettysplash, we're going to be talking about accommodation in the UK, student accommodation in the UK. I know a lot of people are excited about resuming September. I'm also excited on your behalf. I don't know, because coming to this country as an international student, I promise you, it has changed my life for good. Not only am I more exposed, have opportunities to, guys, like I've been to 4 new countries in the space of 2 months this year. These are many more the perks that I enjoy because I took the initiative to come into this country as an international student. So every time when I see new students coming in, I'm always very happy for them because give or take, if you know what you're doing, if you're focused, this place is a leveler, this place is a land of opportunity, milk and honey. There are lots of opportunities in the United Kingdom, and for you to even make it here, for those of you coming to study, I mean, kudos to you, you're on the right path. Just ignore the naysayers, people saying that, oh, abroad is this, abroad is that. Don't listen to them at all. Just be focused. With time, things will definitely get better. You get a good job with time. Just be determined and be dedicated. Okay, this is not a motivational post, okay? We're just going to be talking straight about student accommodation in the United Kingdom. So, oftentimes, the major challenges of securing an accommodation in the UK is that the landlords are usually requiring unbelievable documents from migrants or from people securing an accommodation. And I wouldn't say they are targeting migrants. It's just the way the system is built. Like, if you're in the UK, you're new, you do not have a credit score, and their system is that before they give you, accommodation, they need to do your credit check to see that you can actually, your credit trustworthy. If they put you in this apartment, you can pay, you have the means to pay. So someone coming newly as an international student, you probably don't have a job yet. How did they expect you, and you don't even have any credit history yet. So how did they expect you to, prove that you can pay? You might not have bank statement, payment slip. These are the documents they are going to require from you. And the reason why it's always difficult for international students to just come up straight from their home country and secure accommodation in the UK. But if you know the right thing to do, and if you listen to this video till the very end, then you'll find out that there are other easier ways to secure accommodation. And that is why today I'm introducing you to Amber Student. Guys, you can actually get your student accommodation on Amber Student without having to go through any landlord rigorous documentation. Yes, so Amber Students is like an online platform, which I'm also going to be showing you, because this is going to be a live demo. You see how you can secure the accommodation, everything. So Amber Students is a website for international students where they are able to secure accommodation to several countries. Okay, I'm just dedicating this video to the UK because I'm based in the UK, but not just the UK, Australia, and several countries at that as well. So if you're an international student that you're resuming September, then now is the time to start checking Amber Student to secure your accommodation. They have lots of accommodation there, and they will not be asking you for payslip because obviously they're in their right senses. They know that you are new and you will not have, but they will ensure that you get a good accommodation. They sound like that bridge between you and the landlord, so they're the one, shielding you from all those documentation. They will probably provide the documentation for the landlord who has listed their property on their website, and all you just have to do is pay, book, and then you get your accommodation. It's that easy. So when people say there are no accommodation in the UK, I'm always lost because there are lots of accommodation in the UK. And now let me show you how you can also book your accommodation on Amber Student. So the first thing you want to do is you can check any of my video, guys. There's a link there where you can click on that will take you straight to Amber Student. And I also need to mention that Amber Student is currently running a promo. For every accommodation you book now, you get a £50 cash back. So if you book any of their services from now till August 15, you get £50 cash back, and also you stand a chance to win 1 month accommodation for free. Yes, 1 month in the UK, not paying rent for free. We all know that accommodation is a big deal, and a whole month is going to save you a lot of money as well. So let's get into it. Let me show you how you can secure the accommodation. So watch these steps, guys.
So you want to go on YouTube, type in Yettysplash, you will go to any of my recent video and click on Amber accommodation link. The Amber website, you're going to see lots of options, like there's so much to choose from. And the beautiful thing about Amber is that all their properties are verified, okay, and they have 247 assistance, and their price match is guaranteed. So meaning wherever it is you're seeing another accommodation, you're sure to see that same accommodation on Amber website cheaper. So they have over 1 million beds in over 800 universities and 250 cities across the globe. You can see their popular city they have in UK, Australia, US, Canada, and the likes, and several cities. So regardless of where you are, you're definitely sure to find somewhere and some place on Amber students accommodation website. And you can either search by city or by university. So let's say, for example, now I want to book up something at the University of, let's say, Derby, for instance. So if I'm going to the University of Derby, you just go onto the website, the search bar, type University of Derby and search. You're going to see accommodations available around the University of Derby. Look at this one now. Very beautiful accommodation for 116 a week, and you know that the price is definitely price match is guaranteed. You cannot even find this accommodation cheaper anywhere. So whatever your location is, you're sure to find something on Amber. You can view the pictures, you can check it out. What you see is definitely what you get, not like you're viewing this and then by the time you're ready to book or move in, you see something else. No. And if you're ready, you can fill up the inquiry now form, write your name, your email, and a member of the team will definitely reach out to you. Look at the apartments available in Birmingham as well. Like, there is something for everyone on Amber Home. So what are you waiting for, guys? Don't forget to click the link in my bio to be able to book. Look at this beautiful accommodation at Newcastle as well. So wherever it is you're looking for, there is always a place for you on Amber student accommodation website. So use the link in my bio now and book your accommodation, guys. Look at this one in Leicester. You can even get as low as £90, guys, like £90, even £85. So Amber Students is where you want to book your accommodation.
So guys, that is all that you need to do. Amber Students is tested and trusted. So I hope you found this video very helpful. Don't forget to use my link and benefit from their £50 cashback that they are offering international students, and also stand a chance to win 1 month free accommodation in the United Kingdom. So what are you waiting for? Use the link in my description box now and check out your accommodation. If you're coming in September, now is the time for you to start checking. Don't wait, and don't forget, this their promo ends by August 15, 2024. So start booking now. Take care, guys. Till I come your way next time, I'm still your one and only baby girl Yeti, and stay blessed. Bye, guys.